235 Center Road, unit number 4, virtual tour. Awesome layout, big place, a lot of sunshine in here. Refinished floors, paint, plugs, switches. And open up the windows, close to downtown Bedford. Nice little kitchen here. You got a refrigerator, guests, a lot of cabinet space, excuse me. And then also you have a bedroom here, you know, all redone. It's a nice place. And you got all the paint job done, everything, it's new paint, everything. And then we put in a new bathroom. So you have, in here, you have a brand new vanity, a toilet, and the tub has been sprayed, it's beautiful. Looks like brand new. You have a nice closet here, new flooring. So this is a nice one bedroom in Bedford, Ohio. Won't last. Thanks, hope you're having a great day.